here? If you see them, whatever, shoot or just signal to us before you go over the shoot. No, good for the signal.
I'm gonna go up right here and see where we're at right now. Okay, so we're out here elk hunting. The bro Sam. That's elk hunt, December 13th. Right now it's about 12 o'clock. They're out here, glassed up a bull. They hiked in and they're gonna go after it. Right now, they just now hiked up. The bull went up and over, and they're in there looking for it right now. So hopefully we'll get some luck and Sam will get a shot at it. So right now I'm just waiting, sitting back and just watching them from here. What? Hopefully he gets a shot at it.
A lost man instead of over here.
Melvin actually was like, hey, I saw those guys over there.
If you had shot him right now, for sure you'd have been, oh shit, it's dark.
Yep.